I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fudge mug cake. First, grab your favorite microwave-safe mug. Combine 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Give these dry ingredients a good whisk right in the mug until they are fully combined and lump-free. This ensures an even texture for your delicious cake. Now, let's add the wet ingredients to our dry mix. Pour in 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. These liquids will bring everything together. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma and flavor. Gently mix all the ingredients until they are just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your cake tough. A few lumps are perfectly fine. For an extra fudgy treat, fold in 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips or chunks into your batter. This will create pockets of melted chocolate goodness. Now, it's time to cook. Place your mug in the microwave and heat it for 60 to 90 seconds. Cooking times can vary, so start with 60 seconds and add more if needed. The cake is ready when it looks set around the edges but still slightly soft in the center. Once your fudge mug cake is out of the microwave, let it cool for just a couple of minutes. It will be very hot. Then get creative with your toppings. A scoop of vanilla ice cream, a dollop of whipped cream, or a simple dusting of cocoa powder all work wonderfully. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your warm, delicious, and incredibly easy-to-make fudge mug cake. It's the perfect quick dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.